Welcome to episode 14 of Baz Brick VR. Today we have a set that retired in August 2015. The Mini Cooper Mark VII is set 10242 and is made with 1077 pieces. It is part of the Creator Expert series that's now been replaced by the 18 Plus range. Measuring at 11 cm high, 25 cm long and 14 cm wide. Or for the imperial lovers, 4 inches high, 9 inches long and 5 inches wide. The set is in the same ratio as most of the display car series. The original retail price is 130 Australian dollars or £80, 100 US dollars or 90 euros. I always find it amazing how many small details they manage to fit into these sets, and how well they shape the models. The car can have the bonnet open showing the engine, the boot opens and contains a picnic set complete with blanket, a separate compartment holds a spare tyre. The doors open and the seats can be adjusted. The classic green with racing stripes and the checkered seat completes the model. The model is a medium difficult build and a great display piece. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment, and as always, stay awesome. It's competition time! Simply subscribe, like and comment on either of my channels to any LEGO review from now until 31st of March 2022, and you can win the limited edition vintage taxi. The winner will be contacted in the first week of April, and I will ship the item anywhere in the world. Good luck!
LEGO is a trademark of the LEGO Group of Companies, which does not sponsor, authorize, or endorse this video.